Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be at the very first position. And as you can see, we've got the options which are connected with date and time, and of course the time zone and so on and so on. But right now those options are inactive, so we have to turn off the both of those options, so the time and time zone, which are currently set automatically based on the network. So just tap on those switchers, and as you can see, right now we can enter the date, and here just by swiping we can pick the date we want to use. Tap on OK. It will be immediately changed. The same situation with the time, just by swiping pick the one you'd like to set and tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar. The same situation also with the time zone. Just tap on it, tap on the region here, and as you can see you will be transferred to the full list of all available ones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set, and let me randomly pick for example this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied also, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I hope that you can remember that we've set 5 p.m. not 3 p.m. which is currently set. Under it we've got the time format option, and after tapping on it we've got two different options from which we can choose manually, of course, because we can set or leave the auto option, but we can manually set the 12-hour or 24-hour option. So because currently we've got the 12-hour option, let me pick 24-hour, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied. Under it you've got the options which are connected to the dual clock, so of course if you want to use them, just keep them turned on. You can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, and of course turn on and just after tapping on the switcher again. And the dual clock is simply an additional clock which will be displayed next to the let's say regular one, and it will show the time from totally another place in the world. So it's up to you if you want to use it. So basically this is it. This is how to manually customize date and time, and of course if you want to, you can get back to all previous settings. Just pick the auto time format, and here just tap on both those switchers in order to set the time, date and time zone network based. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.